Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's an international friendly. Bafana 1, Panama 2. I'm joined by Bito Waka.
Stibo, welcome back, Chairman.
I'm gonna check
Chairman. That's just so
vacation.
Yeah, they came in and YouTube.
Yeah,
because you play game there, Chairman.
Let's start a tour.
Yeah.
What do you say, Mobile Facebook?
I know the same way.
What's this, Stibo?
I came not
Sharp fit. Actually came late na. For me na first half we see control the game. Yabona.
Yes.
And see controller kanje. ePanama bepaka ipass. Yabona. Basinikeza irespect. Because if you akhumbula, masibamba ibhola siza kubo. Beba thumela ama play 5.
Sure.
Emuva ku line then la ku D-line bafaka ama play 3
sure
bebayenzela ukuthi singakwazi ukudlala kuma pockets singakwazi nokulentuza nokuscore amabhola then amajita was forced ukuthi badlale wide ngoMoremi and uMoremi makasakathi ubamba ibhola le clever lezi bezikwazi ukuthi zofika zimpress ezithatha ibhola so uMoremi manje bekangakwazi ukudlala
sure
because manje bekangakwazi nokungena phakathi ayolentuzana ayenza lento zakhe so uHugo Bruce isquad asifakile uHugo Bruce okhethele squad lesasifakile mina into engizoyisho ema-playing hard luck bafethu hard luck Hugo Bruce hard luck technical team besizamile but at least if kunama mistakes esiwabonile sizowa-rectify and then going forward sizame kwa-change ayikho into ezoyisi-change iPanama mfethu idlala i-disc if uyibukela iPanama from last week even now badlala ibhola but what they do bebasi-absorb bafuna basiyekele ngoba yazi ukuthi thina eSouth Africa we ball playing team so kusho ukuthi njengoba sidlala i-disc bona basobzoba babeleni bamele le split second chance ele bayithathile first goal bakora second goal bakora ngesquare look it's football but I guess siyafunda umbokazi siyabonga igoli lakhe lesi that was a very good full goal siyabonga namajita azamile everybody they played their part but unfortunately so mina anginalo ithambo lokriticize ama play asesithathu ayinginalo I can't I just say to them they must go back to the drawing board we don't know what's going to go happen the next 2-3 months but obviously World Cup iqala ngoJune ngithi ngalesikhathi iqala ngayo we don't know the squad might change asazi might be the same players it might be different players uHugo Bruce usazo check but what I'm suspecting ukuthi yena sekayazi ukuthi uzohamba nobani yabona maybe uzomdonsa uLodge ngoba abantu bakhalela uLodge we don't know but all I'm saying is that thina kumele support any team yethu no matter what singalibele criticize into esingazazi uFoster naye wakasebenze ku njengoba ngishilo last technique yakhe kuphela akwazi ukulentuzana but obviously ma international play ama defender bakutreat the same bayakubheka and bazokupressa bakumake bakukhahlele bayenze zonke lezo zinto lezo bahlala wena but makanaye akakhuthale if uyabukela akakhuthale just work on his finishing amajita amnikeza ibhola mo because of there's nothing angeke uHugo Bruce athathe player from wherever alfa yes uRenels bakhala ngoRenels uHugo Bruce akambizanga we don't know angazi reason ushilo reason yakho why angabizanga uRenels mhlambe ku press conference I don't know but akekho so we must work with what we have and support ama player lawa akhona and swap push ukuthi ulela Foster sikumcriticize sizama ukuthi mhlambe simmotivate ukuthi ascorele ama goal nawe swadinga
singalwela ama
yabona ukuthi uRenels umna uRenels is a good striker nami ngiyamrecommenda because uyashaya amabhola akadlali but akamkhetha so laba abakhona asibasupport maybe makuwe ku World Cup uzotshintsha emqondo ngoba ama player phela alimala ama player kuyachange izinto zenzeke singazazi performance and all of that mhlawumbe uzomfaka we don't know but until then thina as supporters asupporting the team asupporting labantu labo today was unlucky nami inhliziyo yami ibuhlungu ngoba ngimuntu ngihlala eSouth Africa ngeke ngithi kube ngijabulile sidliwe Panama ndoda le country mfethu enye country ungayishaya around lawe
mina bengingayicabi
mina ngicaba kula movie lawo ama drugs yabona la movie kakhulu Scarface barenge ngayo kakhulu da so manje mina ngeke wazi ukuthi njengoba idlala kamnandi amaplakwana ngacavi
miba kunaneli
khona nale mnandinyana le blonde iyo sibonile kathi hayi emnandi bayifakile besihluphanyana mara iPanama angicavi as a soccer playing nation and ngizwe nje abasebatsho bathi no iphezulu kwethu nathi masicheka ama stats ukuthi labantu vele baphezulu kwethu which is fine but thina supporting team yethu senze sure ukuthi amajita sawaphusha
thank you team thank you team I well said